You can't tell the story though.
Do you have it on video?
I do.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay, give us instructions. Hypoxia instructions on how to change your flat.
First you curse, and then you take off the tire. This one has hair. You have to
And this is what the rest of the crew does.
They stand around and they make fun.
Yeah. Better you than us. Says the most recent plant. Yeah.
Out.
Ta-da! Ta-da! Okay, you're going in on a minute here, buddy. I don't know. This is taking a really long time. We don't have all day.
What caused the flat. God, sometimes I forget that part, then I get extra flat. There's nothing there, so it might have been a pinch flat on a hitting a bump or something, because I weigh so much.
I'm putting my money on him during the reunion.
Minute and a half.
No, that was a little faster.
He is fast.
Well, she can change the tire fast too. Gonna have to put music over it now.
We would have run that.
Memory's small.
Yeah.
Take
You get the tire back on, being careful that the tube gets tucked in there properly, otherwise you'll give yourself another pinch flat. Sometimes even when you are careful not to get a pinch flat, you still get a pinch flat.
How long is the video?
Oh, it's got a huge memory. It's got 2 gigs. So it'll go on for 10 to 15 minutes.
2.5 minutes down.
Yeah, this is the hard part. Gotta have
You're not
strong
taping me do it.
thumbs. Valley Girl can do this part better than me, but I've not mastered her technique.
We'll have to video her.
Need your
Lovely lady pump.
lovely lady pump.
So you have to use the heel of your foot if you have
Yeah, I
these
know.
pokey things.
That's what's good about the Road Morph pump. It's got a little built-in foot thing.
The star of the show is our Road Morph.
3 minutes later.
Three.
Doing it, pumping up.
You're doing good.
I'm really concerned about the favorite accessory being a pump.
We'll edit this part out.
66 pumps.
Good. Is that how much you count them?
I did.
1 pound per pump.
That's pretty awesome. I love you, Road Morph pump.
Whoa,
I
girl.
realize I have a problem. And I am in therapy about it.
You are a piece of work.
Then,
I think I should put some bling on it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
greasy. Oh no. Oh, I'm guaranteed to be That's for the monk fans. Ah. Oh, so tight. Careful to avoid
We actually do this usually much better. There we go.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! All right.
And now, clean up the mess that I made.
5 1/4 minutes.
Well, you know, it's all that pressure.
Pretty long, yeah.
If you used your CO2 cartridge, it would have been a lot better.
That chain incident that slowed me down.
I know.
Okay, do the ta-da stance. Ta-da!
Stop it.
Okay, I don't know how.